Wheel bearing replacement may seem like a massive task, but take it step by step and you can easily accomplish the job with some basic know-how. Trailer wheel bearings are one of the easiest kinds to change, an ideal place to start for your first time. Begin by parking the trailer on a level surface. Jack up the wheel being worked on, support the axle using a rated stand, remove the wheel off the hub, then remove the hubs by slipping the split pin out and removing the castle nut. Vehicle hubs are more sophisticated and should be removed by following a workshop manual. The outer bearing should fall out easily, whereas the inner bearing will require the seal to be first removed, using a seal puller or a flathead screwdriver. Once all of the bearings are out, give the hub a good clean. Mount it firmly in a bench vise and drive the old bearing races out using a punch. Most hub assemblies have a relief cast into them to allow the punch a proper purchase on the bearing race. Before inserting the new race, clean the area up with a clean rag and use a wire brush to remove any stubborn grime or corrosion. Apply a light film of fresh grease to the new races to ensure they don't bind up as they're inserted. There are 9 different collar sizes in the bearing race and seal driver set to suit most wheel bearing sizes. Choosing the right one for the job is as simple as sliding a new bearing race over the tapered end of the collars until you find the one with the best fit. Now, remove the bolt from the end of the driver handle, place the collar onto the end, and fasten the bolt. Position the race on the hub and hit the back of the handle with a hammer to seat the bearing race all the way down into the hub. The collars are constructed of 6061 aluminium, which is softer than the bearing race to prevent damage, but still hard enough to stand up to regular use. For driving seals into place, use the flat side of the tool which closest matches the outer diameter of your seal. Apply a little grease and drive it into the hub using the same technique as with the bearing race. To make your job even easier, the collars in the race driver kit can be used with the SCA 6000 kg shop press, allowing you precise control when installing bearing races and seals. Using the ToolPRO bearing race and seal driver set will ensure a perfect job every time you need to replace your wheel bearings.